Hello, I'm MichKathy, and I'm going to demonstrate how I might use Clue Tracker to plan a trip to northern Michigan. In this video, I'm using my iPhone. If you use Clue Tracker for Android, you will notice some differences in the look and the feel of the app, but most of what I'm going to demonstrate can be done on Android too. The first thing I'm going to do is search for boxes near Grayling, Michigan. I plan to stay there this summer when I attend the Great Lakes Gathering letterboxing event. You'll notice that my trail name appears here. That means I'm logged into Atlas Quest. Right now, Clue Tracker is set for a 5-mile radius. I'm going to change it to 10 so I get more boxes. So now I'll go ahead and do my search. I will save these boxes to a new list I'm going to create. So I go to the backpack menu and I choose Create New List, and I'm going to type GLG 2021 and create. Clue Tracker will automatically add these boxes to my new list. Now I'm going to search for boxes on LBNA. The LBNA search choices are a little different. I only want to search for 12 boxes instead of the 50. So I'll get the 12 closest boxes and I search. And I got 12 boxes. So I'm going to save these to my backpack, go to the backpack menu, and I want to add it to my GLG list, which I do right there, and I'm done, and they're now on that list, and I go back. Now I'm going to switch to our saved boxes. I have 21 listings here, and I can see that I've got Atlas Quest boxes and LBNA boxes, and you'll notice that Beale Plantation is italic. That means it's an unknown status. I'm going to move it to the end of my list since I might not take time to look for it. So to reorder boxes on iOS, start by tapping Edit. Then tap this icon on the right to move the position. And then I pull it down to the bottom. And there you go. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the LBNA listing. For Beale Plantation, tap in that icon and pull it to the bottom. I also noticed that Enchanted Mayfly is in my list twice, so I'm going to move that one up. So they're next to each other. And I also have this one I'm going to move to be with the same listing. And now that I'm done reordering boxes, I can tap Done, and I'm done. To reorder boxes on Android, you just press and hold and then drag the box to a new position. Now I can go to the map. Tap the map icon here, and I can zoom in and out to see the different letterbox listings. If you tap on a pin, it shows you the name of the letterbox, its location, and the planter. If you tap again, it will show you more information and the clues for that box. This pin, with the orange pin with the white triangle in it, that means that there's more than one box in that area. This cluster is near the center of Grayling, so it probably contains boxes for which the planter did not provide a precise location. So I'm going to tap it here. On iOS, you can go through all the boxes in this list by pressing the up and down arrows. On Android, it will show you a list of boxes that you can scroll through. If I look at this box, it tells me that it has an approximate location. I'm going to check and see if the clues give me a better location. Apparently this box is near a bakery on Norway Street. So I'm going to copy that location. I'm going to tap Edit, and I'm going to put the name of the street in this address field. And when I tap Save, Clue Tracker will look up the revised location. Now when I go back, I can see that the box has been moved to Norway Street. At this point, it probably makes sense for me to go through each box on the list and see if there is something more to do. So for example, this box, I probably have to play hangman to get the clues to it. And I'll probably want to reorder some of these boxes to fit my travel plans. Finally, when I'm happy with my list, I will want to share it with my husband, Trailmark. So I can go to the backpack menu and choose share this list. I'll send it to him by email. So I'll type in his email address. And I'll send it. And that's it. I hope you learned a few things from this video. Happy letterboxing!